Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Karthik, and in today's video we are going to do this topic, surd. So this might sound a little bit different, funny. Firstly, what is surd? Surd is any irrational number which is root, and when simplified it will remain in root. For example, root 36, which can be simplified into 6, but root 36 is not a surd, and we know that root 36 is also not an irrational number. Okay, so every irrational number like root 7 or root 99 or root 33985 6, any number you can take which is not a perfect square will be known as surd. So see, surd are divided into surds are divided into two parts, which are, one surd is known as pure, and you will say other is impure. No, but it is mixed. M-I-X-E-D, mixed. So firstly, what is mixed? Mixed is, you can say, 2 root 3, 9 root 37, 9 root 37. Okay, you can write like the numbers which are when simplified. But if you have to convert it in pure, this will be 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 will be what? In root, this will be written as, wait, I will show full solution. Root 3 into 2 into 2, because this is square root. So while transporting this number inside the root, you will have to multiply itself. I mean, you have to do square of it. But if it is cube, so you have to do cube of this number. Okay, and same with other powers. So it will be root 3 into 2, 6. 6 into 2, 12. Root 12. Okay, so this will be 2 root 3 is root 12. Now, same way 9 root 37. It will be written as 37 into 9 into 9, which will be further written as root 37 into 81. Now if I calculate it here, 81, 37, 7 1 the 7, 8 7 the 56, and 3 1 the 3, 56, 57, 58, 59. So 5 over here and 9. Now 8 3 the 8 to the 6, 24. 24 plus 5, 29. So 2997, which will be root 299 and 7. This will be our root. So now I will explain you again. See, what are two types of surds? One is mixed and one is pure. Mixed is when a pure root is simplified, and pure root is like the root number without simplification. Okay, I've told you how to convert them. Now I will show you some cube also. Let me take an example. अभी नहीं. See friends, now if I give you a cube root example, then it will be applied same. Cube 2 into cube root of 3. Wait, 2 into cube root of 4 I will take. Now 8, yes, 8 into cube root of 2. 8 into cube root of 2. So to convert them in pure, what you have to do? Cube root of Do the cube or square of the number according to the power. So 2 cube will be 2 into 2 into 2. What is 2 into 2 into 2? 8. And 8 for the 8 to the 36, 8 3 the 54, 8 4 the 72. 72. But inside the cube root. This also inside cube root. Now, if this one, so again the same method. Cube root 2 multiplied by 8 into 8 into 8. We know 8 cube is 512. 512. Now 512 into 2. It is 1024. Now we know that 1024 is a square, but it is not a perfect cube. So it will be remaining like this only. Now I will ask you some questions and I will give you homework also. So friends, now in our questions, there is this different thing and this also. No, these are same, but converting side is different. So firstly, if I see this one, this will be number 1 and this will be number 2. So now, number 1 solution, 768. We have to first factorize it, prime factorization. 768. So firstly we will do by 2, which is 2 3 the 6, 3 times. Now 2 8 and 4, again 2. Now 2 is again common over here, so 2 1 the 2. Now 18 9 and 2, 192. 2 again, 2 9 the 18, 1 left, 2 6 the 12, 96. Now 48, 48, 2 common, 24, 2 common, 12, 2 common, 6, 2 common, 3 and 1. So what? 2 2 2, because it is power 4. So wait, is it power 4? Yes, it is power 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. This pair 1 2 3 and 4. This pair. But what is left? 3 3s are left. So what will we do? We can write it as 2 2 4. We will write it as 4 into 4th root of 3. This will be our answer. Why? Because as you all know, in the root there were 8 2. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and at last into 2. So 1 3 was left. Okay, this pair was made and this pair was made, but 3 was left. So 2 2's will come outside, 4, and then what will be left? 4th root of 3 will be our answer. Now in second one, I'll just erase this and write the answer so that we have more space. 4 into 4th root of 3. Now in this question we have to prime factorize again. 189. Now firstly it will be divided with 9, 9. Yes, it will be divided with 3. 3, 3 the 9. 3, 6 the 18. So 63. Now, it will again be divided by 3. 2 and 1. Now 3, 7. Now 7 will be left. So, how will we write it? We will write it as cube root of, yes, cube root of 3 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay, now if you make the pairs, so we have got the pair of 3, but 2 7 are left. So what will we do? We will just take out our 3 and in root we will write cube root of 7, multiply. Now we had to convert them in mixed, but over here in this one we have to like simplify it in pure surd. Okay, so I've told you how to do it. This is 1 and this is 2. Now 4 root 3 will be written as 4 into 4 into 3 whole root. Why? Because this is square root of 4. So 4 into 4 can be written as roots 4 into 4 can be written as 4. So that's why I've written it as root 4 into 4. Now 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3, 48. So our answer will be 48 root 48. Now in this one what we had to do, this is a little bit different question. Now what was our answer? Root 40. Now in this one it is saying in simplified form, means firstly you have to find it, you have to convert it in pure form, and then from pure form you have to convert it in mixed one, which will be simplified. So root 15 into root 10 can be written as root 15 into 10, which is root 150. Now how will we write 150? I will have to do prime factorization. 150. Yes, it is divided by 3. 3 into 50. Now it is not getting divided by 3. So what will we do? We will just wait. Firstly we will divide it by 2. 275. Now 3 into 15. No, 25. 3 into 25. Now what is left? Now it is getting divided by nothing except 5. So 5 is taken, 5 come here. Now once more 5 taken, 5 again come here. So it can be now once again 5 taken, it will be 1 coming over here. Yes. So what is left? 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. So further it can be written as root of 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. See, the pair of 5 is there, but 1 3 and 1 2 is left. So 5 will come outside, 5 over here, it will be root symbol. Yes. Now what? 2 into 3. Root 2 into root 3 is root 6. So 6. Now our answer is 5 root 6. Let me check if options is there. Yes, option is C, 5 root 6. So hence our answer is correct. Friends, in this video we will do only this much, but in next video I will find some topic related to this and again give you a relevant video on it. Thank you friends. Bye bye.